know, everything is about AI these days, so is our highlight forum here on the back of booth. And I asked Lea to join me, and I would like to know, what does the CoAgent, or how does the integration of the TwinCAT CoAgent into PLC++ actually look like?
Yeah, so with TwinCAT PLC++, our new PLC component that we presented last year here, the TwinCAT CoAgent can perfectly be used together. So it supports the whole software development process in TwinCAT in general, but also in PLC++. And with the new possibilities that we have through this new development of TwinCAT PLC++, it's integrated even deeper than into the other functions. And this, you can see that especially with our integrated code window. So in addition to the to the CoAgent chat window that we offer in general, we also have an inline chat window. Meaning that if you create some code in your project, you can just open this chat window in the editor, and then you can use the CoAgent to, for example, expand your code, to optimize existing code, to add some comments for documentation purposes. And yeah, all that is possible with the CoAgent and makes the whole programming much more efficient and easier, of course.
Okay. So generative AI makes traditional PLC programming much easier. So it's not something which is only exclusive for, let's say, vision tasks, for edge detection or things like this. So it's available inside standard PLC programming. I think that's a very important message. With TwinCAT PLC++, we try to rethink the whole code development for automation engineers a little bit. What else did we change on the engineering side?
Yeah, we developed whole new editors, and these editors include very cool new features. I can present you some of them. One feature I like a lot are the code snippets. So with the code snippets, you can insert some predefined code into your project and then adapt it to your needs. So if you have some standard functionalities, you can just use a snippet or also create your own snippets to use them in your project. Or another very nice functionality is our online-offline compare. This can be used to compare the code that is currently running on the controller with the code that you created in your engineering. So you can see differences, changes. Maybe if you've added some code, you can see that before you do the online change, and that is very helpful, especially at the machine. So all in all, we want to make the whole programming more comfortable for our engineers and also, again, more efficient.
But it also seems like we are trying to borrow a lot of tools and ideas from the classical software development, right?
Yes, that is true, but we can say that Beckhoff always had the IT world in mind.
You can really see it with our IPCs,
Yes, I think so too. And we always combined it also with the automation world. That is what we did with TwinCAT from the beginning. Also one of the reasons why we integrated TwinCAT into Visual Studio. And then we have things like using source control code systems with TwinCAT. So that has all been possible for a long time. And now with PLC++, we even offer some more and new possibilities. One topic that's currently very interesting for many customers are automated test pipelines in the development. And especially for that, we offer a new PLC++ standalone compiler, meaning that you can compile your whole project via command line, and you don't have to load and open the whole engineering environment. And that makes things faster, and especially for automated tests, that's very practical. But of course, you can still use the usual TwinCAT environment because TwinCAT PLC++ is also integrated there. So we still have our free development software with now TwinCAT PLC++ available, and you can decide yourself if you want to use the standalone compile or not.
To comprehend, we keep the continuity which we have, so it stays familiar. We make the programming easier, more efficient, easier to recycle things, and also we try to improve the quality with, for example, the test pipelines.
Perfect recap.
Wonderful, thank you. Finally, I got it. Lea, have a wonderful day here in the Highlight Forum, and see you later.
You too.